Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Do you have a Stinger Heigh10? Have you been thinking about getting one? One thing that I've found that turned most people off to the Stinger Heigh10, and some complaints from Stinger Heigh10 owners, that doesn't have wireless Android Auto or wireless CarPlay. Most people don't realize how modular the Stinger Heigh10 is. I've got a solution for wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Watch this. You're going to need a ratchet with an extension and a 10mm socket. Let's unbox this. So here you can see the wireless unit I've got off Amazon. It got pretty good reviews. And you'll also see a USB splitter there as well. You can see it's for Android Auto. The unit's pretty small. There's the adhesive that we're going to be needing. Alright, there's the USB splitter. Alright, let's remove the Stinger Heigh10 head unit. Let's unplug these cables, then we'll set it aside. Alright, let's use a ratchet with an extension, 10mm socket, and remove the Stinger Heigh10 computer and radio. Just take that down. Alright, up here at the top we need to remove that top USB from the top USB port up there. Let's connect the USB splitter in the same location to the Stinger Heigh10 computer. Connect one end of the splitter to the USB switch that goes down to the USB port below. Remove the wireless unit. Get it ready. Route the other USB underneath the Heigh10 computer. You'll need to navigate through all the wires going through and around. There we go. Connect the wireless unit to the other end of the USB splitter. Apply the unit's adhesive to the wireless unit. That way we don't end up slipping and sliding everywhere. It's double-sided. And apply the wireless unit to the top of the radio. So to be set under the Heigh10 computer, and you want it applied to the top of the radio. Alright, let's put the head unit back in. Let's connect the Stinger Heigh10 display. Almost done. Alright, let's snap this back in place. Let's turn on the vehicle. Alright, I'm sure you can see the Smart AD on your Wi-Fi. Don't connect to it though, just make sure you can see it. Turn on your Bluetooth and search for Smart AD and connect. That's all there is to it. Wireless Android Auto. You can use the same steps for CarPlay as well, and your USB port will work as it once did. And if you wanted both Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, you can do it too. You can have both, best of both worlds. The solution is 2 USB splitters, and obviously a wireless Android Auto unit and a wireless CarPlay unit. That's it. And you can hide all of this in the console and the dash with a Stinger Heigh10. What do you think about this solution for the Stinger Heigh10 for wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay? Let me know your comments in the below, and we'll see you next time.